Imagine making money online using just your phone. No capital, no experience, no complicated skills. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make money using two powerful tools, Canva and ChatGPT, in 2026. And the best part? You can start today. Let me tell you something. There are people right now making money every single day. Not because they are smarter, but because they know how to use simple tools like Canva and ChatGPT. Some are making $10 a day, others $100, even $500 per month. So the question is, why not you? Let's break it down. Canva is a free design tool that allows you to create professional graphics, ebooks, social media posts, and more. ChatGPT is an AI tool that can write content for you, scripts, captions, ebooks, ideas, everything. So when you combine these two tools, you basically have a complete online business in your hands. This is NorbyPole TV. Please subscribe this channel for more video like this. Method number 1, selling digital products. This is one of the easiest ways to make money online in 2026. Step 1, go to ChatGPT and ask it to write an ebook. For example, write me an ebook about how to save money or how to make money online. Step 2, copy that content and go to Canva. Choose an ebook template and design it professionally. Step 3, export it as a PDF. Now you have a product. You can sell it on platforms like Gumroad, Payhip, or even WhatsApp. Imagine selling your ebook for $5. If you sell just 10 copies per day, that's $50 daily. And the crazy part? You create it once and sell it forever. Method 2, manage social media for businesses. Many small businesses don't know how to create content. This is where you come in. Go to ChatGPT and ask, give me 30 Instagram post ideas for a salon business. Then go to Canva and design those posts. Now you package everything and offer it to businesses. You can charge $50, $100, even $300 per month per client. Get just 3 clients. That's already a full income. Method 3, YouTube automation. This means creating videos without showing your face. Step 1, use ChatGPT to write a script like this one. Step 2, use Canva to create video slides or simple edits. Step 3, add voiceover, either your voice or AI voice. Then upload to YouTube. As your channel grows, you start earning from ads, sponsorships, and more. This is exactly how many people are building passive income in 2026. Method 4, print on demand. Go to ChatGPT and ask for motivational quotes or funny sayings. Then design them in Canva, put them on t-shirts, hoodies, mugs. Upload your designs to platforms like Redbubble or Teespring. When someone buys, you get paid. No inventory, no delivery stress. Method 5, freelancing. You can offer services like logo design, ebook design, social media posts. Use ChatGPT to help you create content. Use Canva to design. Then sell your services on Fiverr, Upwork, or even directly on WhatsApp. This is the fastest way to start making money. Listen, you don't need to be perfect to start. You don't need expensive equipment. All you need is your phone, internet, and consistency. The people making money online are not special. They just started. If you found this video helpful, comment Canva below so I can make a step-by-step tutorial for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. This is NorbyPole TV, and I'll see you in the next one.